Hello, this is Tony.
And this is Art, and we're here from GardenMastersWithAZ.com.
And today we're running some errands and we're on our way home, and we wanted to take you on a trip around our little area where we live because it's been cold, it's been snowing, and it's very, very scenic. So besides that, we wanted to talk about our gratitude message to you from us because we practice gratitude a lot, and we feel that a positive attitude stems from gratitude. It's amazing when you do that, how good it makes you feel. Don't you agree, Art?
Yes, I do.
In addition, we're going to talk to you about the fact that this time of the year, it's a good time to evaluate what's been working and what hasn't in your gardens so that you can make plans for changing things around for the new year. I want to talk about something that's important to me, and I think it's important to Art, and that is we are very grateful for where we live. We found this house back in the mid-2000s, and we love living in this area because it's very, very scenic. And we give thanks every day for all of our blessings and everything that we have in this life. We have a beautiful place to live. We have a very successful business about to help even more people with their gardens and landscapes via our online offerings that we offer. So what are you thankful for, Art?
Oh, I'm just thankful for all the clients we've had over the many, many years of them always being dedicated to us and just enjoying, everything, their gratefulness to us as far as our work and so forth. And even though we don't do landscape work throughout the winter, there's other things that they have us do because I guess they might enjoy our company.
You think they enjoy our company?
I think so.
Well, one of the things that makes us successful, I feel, is that we get to know our clients very, very well. We know the names of their dogs. We know the names of their kids. We know when they're going on vacation and where they went. And we always ask them how their vacation was. And they know us too. So I think it's very important when you're in business to treat clients like human beings. They're not just a client or a number. They are human beings that have desires for their landscapes, just like everybody else does. Don't you agree, Art?
I agree.
Yeah.
Some of our clients are single, some are older, and winter months are kind of doldrum for people, and I think they just like to have company.
Yeah, they do.
And it's a good time of the year to clean things out, to refresh, and just appreciate one another. And we do a lot of that during the winter. And, it's nice to sit back and not have a hectic schedule of getting lawns mowed and trying to keep up with the season so you're not behind. So it's all good. But, you get a little bit of time with some snow, it's a good time to reflect.
One other thing I want to mention is when we're working and there are other contractors working around, whether it's mowing or whatever, we see what they're doing. They just work for a client, they send them an invoice in the mail, and then the client sends them a check. And I really feel they don't have any contact with the client whatsoever. It's very, very impersonal. And I don't believe in that. And you don't believe in that either, right, Art?
That's right.
Yeah, so go ahead.
You need to have that personal touch along with your work.
You really do. And I think that that's why we're as successful as we are, because we have that personal touch that a lot of other contractors don't. And now, since it's the well, it's actually the second week of January. That's what we're doing. Reflecting on the year that's gone by and looking forward to a new year of work, but also fun, because we like to have fun, don't we, Art?
Everybody likes to have fun.
Everybody likes to have fun.
And you know something?
What's that?
Landscape work is fun too.
Landscape work can be fun, and we want to impart that to you. We really do. Landscape work can be fun if you let it. Another thing I want to mention is now is also a good time to reflect on what worked and what didn't last year, and think about what kind of changes you may want to make to your gardens or to your landscape. I know we have some stuff that we want to change because it, well, for various reasons. It might have gotten overgrown. Maybe we have a lot of creeping Jenny as far as ground cover, and that has overtaken a lot of places. We want to trim some of that out. We have some perennial beds that the perennials have overtaken underneath trees, so we're going to pull those out. So there's a lot of things that we have planned for next year, and we're going to take you along on that journey as we improve our property. And one of the other major things we're going to do is we're going to improve our hot tub area. And what are we going to do with that, Art?
Well, it's time to put a paver walk down by it.
This hot tub was...
We have, let's say, a walk-up bar next to the hot tub. And, you know, we did a pergola the year before. Last year we were staying in the pergola. But as everybody knows, once the season gets underway, time is of the essence. So if we get some mild weather this winter, we're going to break ground and put the paver walkway.
And I can't remember whether you said this or not, but that hot tub was only installed 2 years ago, along with the pergola.
Well, the hot tub was maybe the year before that. But
okay, yeah.
It's all good. So.
And you know, we had the bar installed, but we don't have bar stools, and we don't have a place to sit them because it's muddy underneath. So that's what we're going to be doing. So, and we'll take you along for that ride too, so you can see how we're improving our property and hopefully learn something. You can learn something also.
And I encourage any one of you that does not have a hot tub, it's a great place. And I'm just going to say one thing. We call it the think tank.
The think tank.
The think tank. We get our best ideas when we're sitting in that hot tub and just enjoying our surroundings. It also could be called a dream tank.
This is true.
And this guy that's just driving by with his snowplow truck or whatever, he's looking at me as if saying, "Who are you talking? What are you filming?" Well, I tell you.
Do you think he saw me filming you?
I don't know. He was looking at us. Really strange, Tony. Just look at how beautiful the area is. Sometimes you just need to drive around and appreciate all you have around you that you're grateful for, and just take it all in.
Something else I'm grateful for is our family and friends. I'm really thankful for all the friends that we have and all the family that we have. We have lots of people that care about us, and that's a really nice thing to be thankful for. In addition, I'm thankful for just getting up every morning and just being in relatively good health. So those are a couple more things that I'm thankful for. And we're getting ready to turn right now on a street to go down to our house that overlooks a valley. Now this street used to be open farmlands, and now it's houses. Oh, we got some construction ahead. Some construction ahead. There's one of the houses right there. This is absolutely gorgeous view, and I don't know if the camera does it justice or not, but you're overlooking the entire valley. It's just beautiful. I said when we moved in here, wow, when we turn to come down this road, I live here. It's just beautiful. You know, I always wanted to move to the mountains of Colorado. And these are hills, but I'll take this. Thank you everyone for watching and becoming a part of GardenMasterz.com. And be sure to subscribe to our newsletter, our gardening tips newsletter at GardenMasterz.com/subscribe. We are approaching our driveway right now. And here we are, home sweet home, where the buffaloes roam. I guess we are. Art, what's wrong with you? What happened?
Hey, trash cans are out there.
Oh, okay. And with that, we'll say sayonara. We'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and then the bell notification to get notified when we put out new videos.